The 2017 Panamera is launching with two models, the 4S and Turbo. Like most Porsches these days, both come with turbochargers, but the company isn't letting go of the capital T marketing name anytime soon. Both have standard all-wheel drive and a PDK dual-clutch transmission with one more gear, for a total of 8. We spent most of our time in the 550 horsepower turbo, but we also got a brief taste of the 4S's 440 horsepower twin-turbo V6, enough to tell you that the turbo is way quicker, duh. Its new 4.0-liter V8 is extremely flexible, with power and torque everywhere and minimal turbo lag. The extra gear in the transmission adds to that flexibility instead of tripping the powertrain up with too much choice or making slow shifts from a cruising gear to one that blasts you into hyperspeed. We couldn't really fault the old powertrains, but these are more modern, efficient, and powerful. About the only issue pertains to sound. The turbo has a nice note, but it's not loud enough with the standard exhaust. The new V6 does about as well as a turbo V6 can in the audio department, but it can't match the V8 timbre of the previous S models,